Okay, so we've got this problem, and it wants us to use the law of sines or the law of cosines to figure out the missing sides and angles. All right. So I'm going to draw my triangle right here. My triangle looks like this. This is side big A. This is angle big A, side little a, angle big B, side little b, angle big C, side little c. Alrighty. Alrighty, and they told me my angle big B is 50 degrees. They told me little a is 102, little b is 42, and I need to find big A, big C, and little c. All right. So I'm going to recall my law of sines right here. Ready? And I'm going to write it out right here real quick. So sine of big A over little a is equal to sine of big B over little b is equal to sine of big C over little c. Now I'm going to fill in what I know. I know big B and I know little b and I know little a. So sine of big A is equal to sine of big A over 102 is equal to sine of big B, which is 50, over little b, which is 42, is equal to sine of big C over little c. Alrighty. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this equality right here because I want to try and figure out my big A. So this says sine of 50 over 42 is equal to sine of big A over 102. I'm going to multiply by 102 on both sides. So I'm going to get 102 times sine of 50 divided by 42. I'm going to get 1.86039365 is equal to sine of big A. Now I'm going to take the sine inverse of both sides. So I'm going to do sine inverse of 1.86039365 is equal to sine inverse of sine of A. And whenever we do the inverse function of something, we're going to get back the something that we put into our original function. So this is just big A. And whenever I plug this into my calculator, whenever I do sine inverse of my answer, I'm going to get an error. Alrighty. I got an error because this 1.86039, whatever, this sign sends things to a range of -1 to 1. If it's outside of that range, that means it doesn't exist. So that means that maybe this side is too big, something's not right. So this doesn't exist. This angle A doesn't exist. And I think that would be the final answer.